Good morning and welcome back. Yeah, welcome back to our channel. I don't know whether you can see that just above the mountain you can see the clouds. How gorgeous. Right now me and Sam are doing stickers. Oh, go and get a chair. Go and get a chair so you can sit with us. Me and Sam are putting stickers on his gorgeous picture, aren't we? Yeah, what sticker do you want now? That one. Okay. Look who's come to join us. Yeah. So he's putting stickers on there. And meanwhile, over there, Shawnee and Shannon are cooking us breakfast. We're hungry, aren't we, Sam? Stay to my ear. Look, we put, like we actually, in that tent, that's actually our toilet. Look at that one in there. Cow. Say hi. Hi. There's Splashy over there. 4 times. I know, did you drop it?
Just jealous.
Oh no, Nanny, get it for you. There you go. Look at us, should we show everyone your gorgeous picture? Are you ready for this gorgeous picture, everyone? Look at that gorgeous picture. Yeah? Sam was good last night. He wasn't sick last night, was he, Sam? Do you remember what did you do in your bed? When we got here, you went, bleh, didn't you?
I'm sick.
Yeah, you were sick, wasn't you? What did you do? Yeah, like that. And what did we hear this morning? We heard the duckies, didn't we? What did the duck say? Quack, quack. He does it so good. He actually sounds like a duck. Right, what one now? What sticker do you want now? The big giraffe. It looks like a giraffe anyway. So yeah, we're just chilling while the 2 girls are doing our breakfast. Do you go, Baba? Yeah. Right, so say bye-bye to everyone, Sam.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Say see you soon.
Soon.
See you soon. The boys are going to have some more. They've just had the breakfast, but they're going to have some fruit. Yeah, I'll turn these around so you can. I don't know whether you can actually see it. The clouds, you can actually see it. The clouds are over the top of the mountain. It looks so good. Right, we'll catch us up in a bit. What did he? Oh, the state of my hair. Boiling hot again in Scotland. Guys, look where we are. We're literally at a place called Brachlin, Sean. Brachlin Falls.
Come all the way up here. She's never seen a waterfall before and she hasn't brought her to a safe confirm.
We're finding There's little streams everywhere. But we are hoping, we're going on this trail. We're hoping to find a waterfall. How gorgeous. This is what happens when we come anywhere with Shawnee. She doesn't like sitting around, guys. She likes to make the most of every second. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'll turn you around so you... It's just stunning. Literally stunning. So yeah, there's a bridge here apparently, but that's closed. Going to see a waterfall when you need a wee is not fun.
Wee.
I hope it's only made you laugh on my last vlog and falling in the loch.
Yeah, thank you.
Hilarious. Hopefully, let me just do this. Oh, look at his little leg running
What's wrong with them?
or walking.
Oh.
Hi.
Yeah.
When you walk in front as well, I'll do you.
What does that smell?
I don't know. What's it smell like? What does it smell like? Stunning here, isn't it, mate? Stunning.
Can you put the camera on?
Put it on you. Right, it's on you. It's on you, dude.
And put it in there.
Nice, isn't it?
That's so nice, guys. Isn't it?
Yeah. There's red squirrels here.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Probably like come to them in there.
Yeah.
Imagine counting all out.
Nice place to live here, isn't it, Jacob? You think?
I was walking. Like doing this, mate?
Tyron.
Yeah, it's tiring. Why is it tiring for you? I'm 53. I'm 24.
No, you're 53.
Tell everyone. Tell everyone 24. Well, it's not tiring for me.
So yeah, the plan is... Look at that. The plan is to see a waterfall. So if we do, I'll show you. Are you ready to see this? I've just seen Tony's twin. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hello, Moo Cow.
Hi, Luca.
There's one back as well.
Hello, Moo Cow. It's what?
There's one back as well.
Is that?
White one.
Oh yeah. Hello, Moo Cow. White too.
Okay, guys, so we are at the waterfalls.
Do you want to see, do you think?
Yeah.
Are you ready to see peoples? Are you ready? So,
Look at that. That's just unreal, guys.
wow.
It's just in Scotland.
Scotland, isn't it?
Go to Scotland right now.
Go to Scotland right now.
Mommy.
Don't go over there. I've got my nails gone, guys. I'm terrified. That's the bridge over there. That's not working right now. It's a pity that bridge is closed, isn't it? Right, don't you move. You stay there.
I'm gonna go down there.
Is it all right to wait down there? There. Right, don't move, okay? I want to get into a safe place while I show you what it's like. Right, stay there and wait for me. Right, people. Right, stay there. I'll get up here with you. Right, don't follow me. Stay there. Right. Oh. Change it on now. So it went from up there, it goes all the way down to there. So nice! So we're back from the water. Let me turn this down. Back from the waterfall, guys. So nice, so gorgeous. We've just stopped at Loch Lubnaig to have a coffee. So Shawnee having fun down there with Jacob. Sam's fast asleep. Oh. He's shattered. We're just waiting for Tony and Shannon to get here. Just waiting for Tony and Shannon to get here. They called in a Tesco on the way back. And they're getting us a Costa. Oh my god, to go have a Costa. I'm so excited. I'm sat here and the Rangers are sitting in the van next to me. And obviously I haven't paid yet. Because Tony's got the money. And they're sat in the van next to me, probably staring at me thinking, she's cheeky. Oh well. But yeah, this view, guys, it's in. Look at that. Insane. So I have my Costa. I've got to be quick because my phone's about to die. Stays in my ear. Oh my god. Didn't realise I was so bad. I've just been for a wee in the toilet here. Oh my god. Felt like the Queen having a wee on a normal toilet. Great.
Everyone wants to know that.
It's okay. Shawnee's down there right now with the two boys. You see them?
They all sleep tonight.
Just yeah. Yeah. Look at that view. Something else. But yeah, we're gonna go out for tea tonight. No one's cooking. We're going out somewhere for tea, so which is good. No one's cooking. We had a big English breakfast, big good breakfast. So we're not, none of us are that hungry right now. So we're gonna sit, chill for a little bit, go back to the tent and get ready, and then go out somewhere, go and find somewhere nice for our tea. So I'm gonna leave this for now, and then I'll come back home when we're going out for tea. Only because my phone's about to die. And I don't want to be halfway through vlogging something and my phone dies. Nothing worse, nothing worse. So I'll see you in a little bit. So it's time for our s'mores, J-Bob, isn't it? Yeah.
You can barely see me, guys.
I know. You can
it's like flickers off. I was like, shh.
It actually does. Because it's off that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're literally going to end the vlog here because we're just about to have our s'mores. You want to say goodnight?
Good night.
And we'll see you all back here tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell. Good night.
And then what
Yeah, that's a good point actually. Comment on what you like the most about today. Good night, guys.